This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States or his designated representative will deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. Please stand by. The President of the United States or his designated representative will be speaking on all stations shortly. Please stand by.
The following message is given authorization to play in the air by myself, the United States government, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. There are multiple reports of people turning younger before dying from the transformation. All residents of the world must lock all doors and windows as we investigate what is happening right now. Don't worry, there will be a solution if it is possible. This concludes my message. This is the President signing off.
This concludes this activation of the emergency alert system. There will be future activations when more information on this dangerous and life-threatening situation is available. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is an update on the emergency action notification that was issued a few moments ago. The situation has worsened. The time has now rewound 13 years. All residents of the world hearing this message, be vigilant. The time shall be turned back to the present day if there is a solution. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous and life-threatening situation.
We interrupt our program at the request of the White House. This is the emergency broadcast system. All normal broadcasting has been discontinued during this emergency. This is station KBTB. The station will continue to broadcast, furnishing news, official information and instruction as soon as possible for the Fort Collins area. If you are not in the Fort Collins area, tune to a station furnishing information for your area. I repeat, we interrupt our program at the request of the White House. This is the emergency broadcast system. All normal broadcasting has been discontinued during this emergency. The station will continue to broadcast, furnishing news, official information and instructions as soon as possible for the Fort Collins area. If you are not in the Fort Collins area, tune to a station furnishing information for your area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for official use. The emergency broadcast system has been activated to keep you informed. To repeat, this is station KBTB. The station will broadcast news, official information and instruction for the Fort Collins area. If you are in Fort Collins area, keep tuned to the station for further emergency information. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements only in the station broadcasting information for your area. The emergency action notification that has been issued moments ago has worsened and more people are dying and turning younger. All residents of the United States must lock all of your doors and windows and tune into local news stations as soon as possible. Stay tuned for more information when it becomes available. A representative of President Reagan will speak on all stations shortly. Please stand by for this message.
My fellow Americans, this situation is now worsening every now and then, and more people are turning younger before dying from the transformation. The situation is considered to be the worst global disaster of all time. We will try to investigate what caused it, and the person that caused this will be punished, grounded, and defeated with twice the fury and twice the power by all of us. This shall be taken very seriously. On that note, my fellow Americans, this ends my message. God bless America and the world.
This concludes this activation of the emergency broadcast system. EAS will be reactivated when more information on this situation is available.
This is a Canelrid activation. All radio and television channels shall transmit this emergency action notification. This is an update on the emergency action notification issued moments ago. It is worsening by a lot, and more people are turning younger before dying. We are still trying to investigate what is happening right now. This is a global crisis and should be taken seriously. The Canelrid has been activated to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. We'll now leave the air until an emergency action termination is given.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is an emergency action termination. The time is now the present day. What caused this was a man who accidentally hit a button in a time machine that made time go backwards. A police officer stopped it and fast-forwarded time to the present day. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. This concludes the CAS activation. We'll now return to regular programming.